Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the rose gajra. So let's start the tutorial. First we're going to make puff flowers. So we're going to start by making a magic ring. To make the ring, we'll wrap the yarn around 2 fingers. Then insert your hook below the first loop and we'll pull the second loop and twist it. Then remove it, yarn over and make 1 chain. Now we're going to make 2 more chains. Into the ring we're going to make 3 double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Make 2 more. Yarn over, insert your hook and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Then we're going to make the loop a little bigger. Then we'll insert the hook on the top of chain 3. And then we'll take the loop on the hook and we'll pull that loop through the loop on the hook. And we'll make 3 chains. Then we're going to make a slip stitch into the ring. This completes our first petal. Now we're going to make second one. We'll make 3 chains. Then 3 double crochets into the ring. Make a loop little bigger, insert your hook on the top of third chain and pull that loop through the loop on your hook and make 3 chains. And then we'll make a slip stitch into the magic ring. And like this we're going to make a total 5 petals. Once you're done, then pull the short end and close the ring. And then we'll make 1 chain and we'll cut the yarn. On the back of the flower, we're going to make 2 knots. And then we'll cut the extra yarns. We're done with the flowers. You have to make total 20 flowers like this. Then we're going to make rows. So we'll start with a slip knot. And then I'm going to make 34 chains. Then we're going to skip 3 chains. Into the 4th chain from the hook we're going to make 2 double crochets. Make 4 chains. Then we're going to skip 3 chains. And into the 4th one we're going to place 2 double crochets. Chain 4. Skip 3 chain stitches. and into the fourth one place 2 double crochets. And just like this we're going to complete the round. Once we are done, then we'll turn over, and into the first gap we're going to make one single crochet. Then into the same gap we'll make 8 double crochets. And then we'll make one single crochet into that same space. So this makes our first petals. Now into the next gap make one single crochet. Into the same gap place 8 double crochets. After making 8 double crochet, into the same gap make one single crochet. And just like this we're going to complete the round. Once we're done, then we'll make one chain and cut the yarn. And then we're going to roll the flower like this to give it a shape. And we're going to secure it by sewing it. Once we get the perfect shape, then we're going to cut the extra yarn and we'll hide in the ends. Now we're going to crochet the string, so we're going to start with a slip knot. And I'm going to make 70 chains. After making 70 chains, then we'll cut the yarn. Now we're going to insert the flowers into the string, so we'll use the yarning needle. We're going to insert the flower with the front sides facing the needle, like this. Here first we're going to add 10 flowers. After adding 10 flowers, then we're going to add the rose. And after this we'll add the next 10 flowers. So we'll take the yarning needle, but this time we're going to add flowers with their backside facing the needle. And we're going to add rest 10 flowers. Once we're done, then we're going to tie a knot. And then we'll take 2 strands together and tie 2 knots. Then you can cut off the extra yarn. We are done with the tutorial. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comment section how it went for you, and thank you so much for watching the video.